Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we don't only cook, but we cook with style. And if you like our videos, please hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned! Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to another episode. So today let us make some snack which is called Puto Nutella Marble or Nutella rice cake marble. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Okay, so we need 2 cups of cake flour, 3 pieces medium eggs, or you can use 2 large eggs. Of course, we need some Nutella. It depends on how much Nutella you want. And then we need 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm using only 1/2 cup, but you can use 3/4 cup depending on how sweet you want your rice cakes. And then we need 1 cup of evaporated milk or fresh milk, 1/2 cup of water, and then 2 tablespoons of oil or melted butter. So let's take them off the molders. See, look, it's very soft. Then, very soft and fluffy. It's full of Nutella marble. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, so let's take them off the soft and fluffy and yummy. Okay guys, so after about 12 minutes, our Puto Nutella marbles are ready. Okay, so here they are. Looks so yummy. Okay, so soft and so fluffy. Yay! Okay, there we go. There. Okay. Now let's try our Puto Nutella marbles or Nutella rice cake marbles. Okay. Okay guys, so now we're ready for the taste test of our Puto Nutella marbles. Okay, so let's try it. Alright, so let's taste this small one. Okay, so it's soft and fluffy. Very good. And it's not really that sweet because I put only half cup of sugar. That's just a little bit of Nutella. Okay? Very good. So this is good for the kids because they love Nutella. Yeah? Very good. I love it. Yeah? And it's very easy to make. You just mix all the ingredients and then steam it for about 10 to 12 minutes. And voila, it's done. Very easy. Anybody can make it very quick. And for sure the kids would love it. Very, very good. Good. Let's try the bigger one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you have the marble inside. Yeah. Yeah. Very soft and fluffy. Now I'm full. Very good. If you guys love Nutella and Puto, then combine them and make some Puto Nutella marbles. Your kids would surely love it because most kids love Nutella. Oh, Nutella. Okay. It's very good with coffee. So let's have some coffee. I'm gonna be full. I'm full already. So shout out UFO. I will not finish this snack. I won't be able to finish. Love my coffee. There. I love my snack. This is what I usually do, you know. Just eat snack here and there. I don't really eat much rice anymore. So we just eat snack, meat, veggies, and fruits. Yeah. It's my usual meal now. Now I'm full. But you see how soft they look like and how yummy they are. Yeah, very soft, fluffy, and very moist. Yes, very moist. moist. And for sure, your kids would love them. Finger licking good. Yeah. See that? Finger licking good. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching this episode. And I'll see you again next time in the next episode. And for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like my videos, and share our videos. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. And I'll see you again next time in the next episode. Bye! See you all later!